Machine learning is about exploring the world, try to understand how things work, and internalize those knowledge, and use the knowledge to solve new problems of similar kind. Lambda sits at the intersection of infrastructure and AI research. It's very rare to find a place where you can do both. My experience with Lambda so far has been very collaborative. Things move really fast and very hands-on.
Lambda has access to the newest, fastest chips, and we want to deploy those to our customers. And we want to make sure all of them are optimized to their full capacity. And that's a unique challenge because as the chips get faster, it gets harder to use them to their full capacity. And so that's something that I've been working on here at Lambda.
We're in an age now where we're essentially training these extremely large language models that are capable of doing extremely complicated tasks. So with all these personalized learning applications like AI tutors, applications being applied to healthcare, it's really exciting to know that Lambda is actually powering this superintelligence wave.
What's cool about superintelligence is that these companies are so big and working on such hard problems that they can really stress test the GPUs and the hardware to the limits. It's really, superintelligence is a way to just push the whole entire field forward. And every gain we get from superintelligence will benefit the individual developer.
Lambda research is our way to contribute to the science of AI beyond just infrastructure. We as a company build the infrastructure and power world's leading AI labs, but we also want to use that as a vantage point for ourselves to ask deeper questions about intelligence and the consequence of having it. And we want to enable the entire community to explore AI in a safely, openly, and collaboratively fashion.
When I think about superintelligence, I think about systems that can understand and reason about the world in ways that surpass human capability. And I think Lambda's role within that is providing the computational firepower and the energy needed to train these models to get them to that point.